So we've got a fella working on the roof because we've got water coming in now. It's always something, isn't there? Let's get back to models. So talk about a comfort zone. Right, what we've got here. What have we got here? What is it? What's going on? Out of a unpacking, well, not even unpacking really, but going through random boxes which I know have got models and things in after the move still, in a manky box, a shoe box, not even the real box for this. I found this model which I'd forgotten I'd got, which I'd forgotten I'd made. It's a clip together one, so I've unclipped it for packing purposes years ago, and it is, I'm sure it's Kibri, could be Fowler, whatever, of a rat house or stat house or something. It is a real one in real life. The turrets and spires were added later. I'll look it up, and I think we've got all the bits, and I think we'll have a go at putting it together. Let's see what comes of this experimental existence we seem to be living. Right, here we go. That is a superb base. Look at that. Really nice. Don't worry about this. This is a shutter that I've just blue tacked on to keep it safe. But that really works well. Superb. And it's got a nice depth because it's double layered, double skinned possibly. And there's the ceiling. So we'll get that on. That all went together in lightning. Superb. Worth saying, I've left all the, or I didn't remove all the window fillings for obvious reasons. No need to. It's just to be packed away. So I won't be worrying about them. But nice interior. We're not going to see it, but that gives you an idea of form, if nothing else. 2 floors, a couple of bays, great little structure. So I'll put the other side on and then the first part of the roof. We'll come back to that, I think. Well, that hasn't gone quite as well as I'd hoped. It's a bit loose, but we'll see what the lower sections might do for us. Still moving along swiftly anyway. Look at that rosy glow through those windows. Now we're talking. The roof fits snugly. So basically I did it in the wrong order, but well, it's alright. Got there in the end. And then turrets with the spires. And then I think I'll go and have something to eat because I'm rather hungry. Here we go. Now these holes aren't quite good enough to take the pins which hold this turret on, and so it's sitting proud. So I was pushing hard and that happened. Never mind, pop it all together again. Right, just a vague vision of how it's worked out. There it is. You probably noticed I'd got some walls in the wrong places and it's not quite symmetrical, so the collapse was a benefit. It's a bit creaky, but there it is, looking splendid. And there's the large turret, still not quite sitting right. Big gap there. But like I say, that can be sorted. There's also a yawning gap there. But I think it might be time to get the glue out really and make this a more permanent feature. So, yeah. Although, do I need to paint it first? What do we reckon? Stonework at the bottom needs a bit of paint. The upper stories could just do with some weathering, and the roof would need a proper paint. Right, time to put it up on the shelf and have a think. We'll come back to that. Will we? Will we come back to that? Is this done? Don't know. So I was going to finish it off, give it a nice, well, not nice, give it a standard bit of board to sit on and a bit of a sky-esque background, just to get some last shots. And I thought, oh, I'll have to do that tomorrow when the light's better. And then in the evening, I was doing something on the computer, and a little box came up and had, you know, computer jargon, but it said words to the effect of, your computer's getting quite full, I know better than you, don't I? So I'm going to delete things that I don't think are relevant. And up came one of those little progress bars, so I shut everything down. And now, when I go into my pictures, watch, look, can you see what's happening? So I didn't get it quick enough, which means I've got to, I don't know, something or other. But I'll see if I can get the final shots, stick them on the end. If not, I'll end here and say thank you for watching. I wonder what this means for the future. Happy New Year!